my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your video in 4K quality by using CapCut Mobile. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Here tap on new project. Here select the video that you want to add. For example, I'm going to choose this one and now tap on add. After this, scroll here like this and then you guys can find out adjust option. Now you guys can find out these options. By using it properly, you guys can make your video in 4K quality. Here tap on the contrast option. Now let's grow the contrast level a little bit. Now tap on saturation. Now let's lower this level like this. Here you guys can find out brilliance option. Let's lower it like this. Now tap on sharpen. Let's move it a little bit further like this. And in here you guys can find out highlight option. You guys can highlight your video like this. Here you guys can find out graphs option. Choose the color that you want to work with and then customize the color like this. Now let's go back. Now tap on the check mark and let's watch the video. If I delete the adjustment like this, then you guys can see the differences. This is the original video and this is what it looks like after putting the adjustment. So this is how you guys can make your video in 4K quality by using CapCut Mobile. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.